out here today, and we got a few rims that we're about to paint up. Some gloss black, center caps, wiping down really good. My man's scuffing them right quick, and it's gonna be on the Suburban. Went ahead and jacked it up off all fours. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out really quick, and also do the ones on this Kia. So we'll keep you updated on how this is looking as we're going in. So we got the rims pretty much painted here. Gloss black, still drying. Right here. We'll have to go over this one with a little sandpaper. We got this one, looks pretty dried out. This is pretty much finished product on this one. Of course, to throw on the Suburban. All black. Then we're gonna go ahead and knock these out real quick too while we're at it. So remember, for y'all's mobile mechanic needs, ram paint, panels, etc., message us, and of course we'll get you on the road nice looking.